Well, it's the season for comfort food, and one comfort food that evokes very special memories, especially in the South, is biscuits and chocolate gravy. I know! A lot of people don't know about it, but you know what? It is kind of unusual and special. It comes from the Appalachian area, and I'm going to show you how to make it now. First, you got to make some biscuits. There's my unusual looking ones. In a skillet, we need 1/4 cup cocoa powder. I'm using dark chocolate. 1 cup of sugar. 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And a little salt. Grab a whisk and 2 cups of warm, whole milk. I'm going to add this milk very slowly in a very little stream and whisk it in there. Whisk it until smooth. Then turn it onto a medium heat and stir it with a spatula for about 8 minutes until it thickens. It's gotten pretty thick. Once it's thick, you remove it from the heat, and then you have to cube 4 tablespoons of butter. And I'm going to add it to the pot. Stir that in until melted. Now you just split a biscuit and add on that chocolate gravy. And it's time to enjoy it right away. There it is. And this is going to be our dinner. I know. We live a very special life. Let's find out. Biscuits and chocolate gravy. How is it? Warm. It's kind of like drinking chocolate on a biscuit. A little thicker, but the flavor, sweet, wonderful. I'm glad I used the dark chocolate cocoa, actually. It's wonderful, and it's pure comfort. I love trying these things. This is a fun, vintage Appalachian recipe that you can make too. You can even make biscuits like I've made in the past, 7-Up biscuits. This would be great with those. Thank you so much for watching me here on Jim's Kitchen. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye. Why did the donut go to the dentist? To get a chocolate filling.